be real. Bugatti, a brand synonymous with hypercars and world speed records, has built a motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti has taken its obsession with speed, precision engineering, and unmatched luxury, and turned it into a rolling palace on wheels. This isn't just any RV, it's a motorhome that feels more luxurious than most mansions. If you've ever imagined living in a Bugatti, your dream just became reality. Let's get into the full review of this masterpiece, covering the exterior, interior, performance, and the price tag that only the bravest, or the wealthiest, will dare to approach. The exterior of Bugatti's motorhome is an absolute showstopper. From the very first glance, you immediately recognize the brand's DNA. The signature horseshoe grille, sculpted into the massive front fascia, proudly announces its Bugatti heritage. The headlights, inspired by the Chiron's quad LED design, have been stretched to suit the scale of the motorhome, giving it an aggressive yet refined appearance. The bodywork is a marvel of aerodynamics, with smooth flowing lines that disguise the sheer size of the vehicle. This isn't the usual box-shaped RV, it looks more like a futuristic luxury yacht gliding on land. Carbon fiber has been used extensively in the construction, reducing weight while adding rigidity, a decision that sets Bugatti's creation apart from every other motorhome on the market. Massive 24-inch alloy wheels with a signature Bugatti design language sit under muscular wool arches, giving the vehicle a road presence that is almost intimidating. Retractable side steps, flush door handles, and a fully panoramic windshield only add to its futuristic character. At the rear, Bugatti has integrated a full-width LED light strip and an active spoiler, a touch borrowed directly from its hypercar lineup. When parked, the vehicle extends outward with slide-out sections, expanding the living space inside. And with multiple color combinations available, ranging from classic Bugatti two-tone shades to fully bespoke custom finishes, this motorhome looks as elegant as it is imposing. But the true magic begins when you step inside. The interior of Bugatti's motorhome is nothing short of a private palace. The craftsmanship reflects Bugatti's signature attention to detail, where no material is too expensive and no design is too ambitious. The living area greets you with open space, high ceilings, and walls finished with real carbon fiber inlays, polished aluminum trims, and hand-stitched leathers in contrasting colors. Seating is crafted from the same premium leather Bugatti uses in its hypercars, but here they are extended into luxurious recliners with massage, heating, and cooling functions. The lighting is fully customizable with advanced ambient LED strips hidden in the ceiling and floor, creating a perfect mood for any occasion. A massive 85-inch OLED smart TV, complete with a state-of-the-art sound system, folds down seamlessly when not in use. The kitchen is like no other seen in a motorhome. Equipped with a full suite of professional-grade appliances, including an induction cooktop, a dual oven system, a wine cooler, and a smart refrigerator, it's designed for gourmet cooking. Countertops are finished in polished marble, and the cabinetry is custom-built with soft close mechanisms. Technology runs through every corner, the kitchen can be controlled by voice command or smartphone, making it feel like a luxury penthouse kitchen on wheels. The bedroom is perhaps the most breathtaking part of the motorhome. Imagine a king-sized bed suspended on a floating frame with ambient lighting built into the base. The mattress is crafted with memory foam and Bugatti's proprietary cooling gel, ensuring a perfect night's sleep no matter the climate. Above, a panoramic skylight stretches across the ceiling, letting you sleep under the stars or wake up to the sunrise. The walls are soundproofed for complete tranquility, and you even get a private entertainment system in the bedroom, so you can unwind without distraction. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat, featuring rainfall showers, heated flooring, smart mirrors with integrated displays, and premium fixtures made from brushed titanium. Even the toilet is a fully automated smart unit, because Bugatti didn't leave any detail untouched. When it comes to performance, Bugatti wasn't about to build a motorhome that's slow or ordinary. At the heart of this colossal masterpiece is a hybrid powertrain, combining a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, similar to the one in the Chiron, with electric motors that deliver instant torque. The result? A staggering 1,800 horsepower, making this the fastest motorhome in existence. While it's not designed to hit the same 300 miles per hour as Bugatti's hypercars, it still achieves a jaw-dropping top speed of around 160 miles per hour, unheard of for a vehicle of this size. More importantly, the hybrid system ensures that it can cruise effortlessly and quietly at lower speeds, with electric-only driving available for city use or eco-conscious journeys. The adaptive suspension, borrowed and scaled up from Bugatti's hypercar expertise, ensures an incredibly smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. All-wheel drive comes standard, making sure this motorhome is as stable as it is powerful. Driving this Bugatti creation feels surreal. The cockpit is designed with the same futuristic digital displays and driver-focused ergonomics that you'd expect in a Bugatti supercar. The steering wheel carries the brand's signature flat-bottom design, wrapped in carbon fiber and Alcantara. A massive curved digital dashboard provides navigation, performance metrics, and even luxury travel information. There's also a semi-autonomous driving mode, allowing the vehicle to take over on long stretches of highway. Parking and maneuvering are aided by a full 360-degree camera system with drone integration, so you can literally launch a drone from the vehicle to scout your surroundings before parking. This blend of power, technology, and elegance ensures that Bugatti's motorhome is not just a vehicle, but an experience. Of course, a creation like this doesn't come cheap. The base price of Bugatti's motorhome sits at an eye-watering $5 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever built. But for those who crave complete personalization, Bugatti offers nearly limitless customization options. Buyers can choose exclusive paint finishes, tailor the interior with exotic materials, and even integrate personal requests like a private office, a gym, or a custom-designed lounge. Fully optioned models can easily reach upwards of $7 million, rivaling the cost of luxury yachts. For the ultra-wealthy, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a status symbol, a home, and a Bugatti all rolled into one. Bugatti's motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. It takes everything the brand is famous for, uncompromising luxury, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping performance, and transforms it into a motorhome that feels like a mansion on wheels. From the sleek aerodynamic exterior to the breathtakingly opulent interior, from the powerhouse hybrid engine to the staggering price tag, this vehicle stands alone in its category. It's not just transportation. It's the ultimate expression of luxury living and mobility combined. So, would you trade your mansion for this Bugatti motorhome? Or better yet, would you take your mansion with you wherever you go? That's the promise this creation delivers. Thanks for watching this in-depth review here on Road Roar. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury vehicle reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of Bugatti's leap into the motorhome world. Until next time, keep roaring down the road in style.